name is Jimmy Wilson. I'm a periodontist from Tampa, Florida. In 2001, I started Tampa Bay Periodontics and Implant Dentistry. When I was in dental school, I gravitated towards surgical treatment of patients. What I liked about periodontics was when we treat patients, we oftentimes have those patients for long periods of time.
We want to make sure that when we do something for a patient, they get to a place where essentially they are whole again. And if that takes one procedure or two procedures, I want to make sure that the outcome is absolutely correct and is good for everybody involved. And that is unique.
My name's Ruth Lynch. He answered all of our questions. And honestly, for me, it was more about making me feel calm and comfortable that I wasn't going to be in a lot of pain while he was doing it and that the recovery was going to be complete.
My name is Mark Meisner. I had a tooth was having problems, and nobody wants to have a gap in their mouth, so once I got to see Dr. Wade, I felt like I was on the right track.
Our practice is known for being able to handle more complicated cases because of the fact that we have 3 doctors who are very well educated in treating periodontal disease, but also dental implant treatment. We oftentimes confer on more complex cases in order to help our patients restore their oral health.
The skill level of the providers here really is a cut above the rest.
I would absolutely recommend Tampa Bay Periodontics to anyone. I think that you get the best care here.
2 of my teenagers have been here with Dr. Wade, had their wisdom teeth removed, so that makes 3 mouths in our family.
I think our practice is known for the caring atmosphere that we have. Patients are put at ease when they come into our practice. It's not an intimidating environment. We all know nobody wants to go to a periodontist, but we hope that at the end of the day, they say they actually had a good experience with us.